Okay, witchcraft do that.
Classic angle. Boom.
The Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble. You know it's a girl Absidy. I'm there to drop what at me right now. Straight Rabblings.
Find some good time with the super lato. Super lato.
No, why I read something in there?
Sorry.
So you write the name on the paper and you're supposed to hold somebody. And you're going to say an obey. What do you call it? Name in a cucumber. What kind of witchcraft is that?
Classic angle. Boom. Alright, on the angle.
Nah, man.
I'm gonna kill for this man.
Nah, man. Hold on, let me see. Reload them, man. Yes, sir. So, yeah. That one, So, I didn't farm.
We're wondering what was he actually saying. Bring it to the owner is a slang that many Jamaicans, even foreigners, are saying today and have been saying from back then up till now. Bring it to the owner is the reason why most persons try to own people, and one of the easiest way to own somebody is to tie them up spiritually. And we all know that if you tie up somebody spiritually, you can tie them up physically because it's connected. My people, it's your boy Spiritual Child, and I'm here today with another video, and it's a very hot topic by the ladies, especially the ladies, because the ladies, especially the Jamaican ladies, enjoy tying up their men, and most of the men enjoy tying up their woman also. So this is a very hot topic. No, spiritual tie-ups. Spiritual tie-ups is a very hot topic because it involves so many nastiness, it involves so many wickedness, it involves so many spiritual depth and crannies and valleys and rivers and battles and all stuff like this. So it's a very hot topic, and I have all the time today to explain and to dig down in the nook and in the crannies of everything of spiritual tie-ups. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Spiritual tie-ups is so real, and it in its simplest form can take sex or just sex intimacy. Sex intimacy, for example, oral sex, vaginal sucking, anal sucking, penis sucking, any form of oral ingestion or egestion can lead to spiritual tying in its simplest form, because spiritual tying is really the exchange of spirits or the bonding of two spirits together with the intention behind it. So anything can be a spiritual tie between two persons as long as the spirits are involved and the intention behind the spirits are working accordingly with the intention. So if you suck somebody, whether you're a male or you're a female, that exchange in vaginal juice or that exchange in semen juice with the intention behind it can lead to spiritual tying, right? So it's the intention behind the exchange of the fluids or the juice with the help of the demon or the spirit involved can lead to spiritual tie-ups. So that's spiritual tie-ups in its simplest form. Spiritual tie-ups in its medium form involves the use of certain procedures and spells with the intention behind it. So this brief that you're seeing in the video is one of the medium form of spiritual tie-ups. What would actually happen is the person doing the spell would take this brief that you're seeing in the video, or they will take the panty of the female and involve it in a ritual, and this ritual will involve a spirit, a demon, or even an angel. So the person don't have to actually exchange the vaginal juice or the semen juice or the saliva juice anymore. The person take a dirty brief or a dirty panty and involve it in the spell, because the dirty brief or the dirty panty contains the energy of the person or the energy of the wearer. So if the energy of the wearer is in the panty or the brief or the shirt or the shoes or whatever, that person actually is involved in the spell unknowingly, because that person doesn't know that he or she underwear or clothes is in the spell, right? So that whoever took the underwear or the brief took it to do the spell, right? And whenever this spell is done, it is done in the presence of a spirit or a demon, and this spirit or a demon completes the bonding or the tying of the spell of the two persons. And this use of the brief can also accompany the use of pictures of the person, or the use of hair or other body parts of the person to give the spell even more power to tie that person. Spiritual tie-ups in the highest form now involves the use of a witch doctor, right? So the witch doctor would take certain things from the person, especially like the brief, the ear, the nails, the teeth, stuff like that, and that witch doctor would do an incantation with the person, with the person's object, the toothbrush, the brief, the skirt, the panties, stuff like that, or even the juices, right? So for those men who like to come in condoms and leave it in the bathroom, that woman can use that condom and bring to a witch doctor to tie you up. And for that female who likes to bathe and leave her dirty panty in the bathroom, don't do that, because the male can bring it to the witch doctor to tie you up. And worse, if your pum pum good like that and him don't want nobody else to have it, him will tie you up, so him alone can't have it, right? So you don't want any spiritual tie-ups to occur. You need to protect your bodily parts and protect your dirty clothes, protect your stuff, okay? Also, spiritual tie-ups in the spiritual form can lead to a lot of things. It can lead to fight, it can lead to argument, it can lead to depression, because one person has control over another person unwillingly, and this leads to a lot of things, right? In order for this tie-ups to broke, so one of the partner will die, or that partner, if he or she is smart, can visit a voodoo or a witch doctor, somebody like me, to break up that spell, right? In the olden days, many persons used to use a lot of tricks to break up the spell, but nowadays spells are more advanced and can take so many things, and it is very difficult now to even break this bond. But some symptoms of spiritual tie-ups would involve quarreling the relationship, the lack of interest, the lack of sex, the lack of feelings anymore. This is all due to the spiritual tie-ups. The presence of a demon in the relationship can cause this. But I'm not going to make this video too long, but I'll leave it here and continue with another video. It's your boy Spiritual Child, and I'm here today with another video. Peace out.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.